Hello everyone and welcome to another Golden Insights. Today we're going to do a real quick brew of Comfrey tea. We've talked in the past about what a benefit Comfrey is in the garden. Well, once it's done growing for the season, you cut some leaves up, dry them out, you've got plant food all year round. So we're going to brew a quick tea, compliments of my daughter Ellen's tea set, and give all the houseplants just a little drink of Comfrey tea to give them an extra boost of nutrition and vitality. We want to brew it extra strong, so we're just going to cram this little strainer full as best we can, drench it up, and let it steep. So we're just going to give it that little drink, let those leaves soak it up, and slowly keep saturating it to try and get as much out of that Comfrey as we can. And while we're at it, we'll have a spot of tea ourselves. We're going to just let that steep until it's cool, dilute it down a little bit, and spread it across all the plants in the house to give them all a little extra boost. So we're just going to finish up our tea. You can let this steep as long as you want, overnight, even maybe 2 nights until it starts to get a little stinky. We're just going to pour it into our watering can, dilute it down, and give our plants a treat.